Hi. Why are you attacking your skin every morning? 3 moisturizers and you're still dry? I'm Honey, and I'm tired of watching this.
I'm a natural humectant. That means I pull water into your skin. I help repair your barrier, not just coat it.
Luxury brands extract my enzymes, put me in glass, call it, intense hydration. I was sitting in your kitchen for pennies.
Here's how to use me properly. Apply a thin layer on damp skin. Leave me on for 10 minutes.
Feel that warmth? That's me sealing in hydration. No stinging, just nourishment. Rinse gently with lukewarm water. Feel that softness instantly. Notice the glow clag. Healthy, calm, never greasy. One mistake most people make? They use processed honey. Raw, unfiltered works best. Twice weekly is enough. Stop overpaying for fancy barrier creams. Save this, share it, and tell me, are you using raw honey yet?